Good morning, preschool friends. Preschool friends, can you tell them hi?
Hey.
What's your name? Can you say Jessa? Yeah, so this morning I have Jessa with me. Kinsley's at her grandma's. She'll be here soon. So what we're going to do today, friends, is we are going to do a letter song. And does anybody remember our letter that we're working on this week? Do you know, Jessa? Letter U. Can you say U? U. Okay, and U makes a sound like up. And sometimes it can also say U like unicorn, but its favorite sound is So, in our little song that we do today, most of the words are going to start out with but there's a few at the end that are going to say U. So, let's get started. Where'd Jessa go? Peekaboo.
Here comes the letter U. U is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
U is for up.
Up.
U is for under.
Under.
U is for uncle.
Uncle.
U is for understand.
Understand.
U is for us.
Us.
U is for unhappy.
Unhappy.
U is for up.
Up.
U is for uniform.
Uniform.
U is for use.
Use.
U is for unicorn.
Unicorn.
U is for utensils.
Utensils. All right, so there was a letter U song for this week. And just remember, U makes the sound like up. Sometimes it can say U like unicorn. And I forgot to do our question of the day, friends. So our question of the day is, when is it okay to throw your trash out the window? So think about that. If you have trash, when is it okay to throw it out the window? Do you know, Jessa?
Yeah.
Can you throw trash out the window?
No.
No, never. It's never okay to throw trash out the window. It always needs to go in the trash can or the recycling container. I know, like, sometimes when you're in like a vehicle and you might not have a trash can, do you want to throw it out the window then, even if you don't have a trash can with you? No, just hold on to it until you get to a trash can and then you can throw it away. So, preschool friends, I hope you have a great day today. And we'll see you tomorrow. Can you tell them bye?
Bye.
Bye.